What's up guys, Carlos here from MunGeek, and today we're taking another look at the App Gallery, Huawei's secure all-in-one app platform. Now, for those who've been using Huawei devices, the App Gallery should be a familiar sight. It is definitely familiar to us because, after all, we've had experience using the App Gallery since 2019. 6 years ago, when we started using the App Gallery, it was already quite a reliable and easy-to-use platform for downloading all of our most used apps. In 2025, the App Gallery is even better, thanks to a wide array of additions that not only make downloading apps easier, but also add even wider app selections. Yes, and that includes Google Apps and services. For those unfamiliar, the App Gallery is the main way to download apps on Huawei smartphones and tablets. Since its release years ago, the App Gallery has continued to be the main app store for many users, enough that it continues to be the third largest app platform in the world. Aside from being an all-in-one platform made in a post-Google mobile services environment for Huawei devices, the App Gallery also prioritizes ease of use, as well as security. When it launched, security was already a key focus for the App Gallery. Right now, it's pretty much still the case. In fact, Huawei has continued to enhance the platform's security, as well as users' data privacy. To be exact, the App Gallery provides a full-cycle security and protection system, which includes a 4-step security check, including malicious behavior detection to ensure third-party apps are safe to install. The platform also has monthly security checks to detect malicious in-app behavior to ensure installed apps are not compromised. What's more is, the App Gallery gives users more control over their data for enhanced privacy. These include the option to disable personalized ads, as well as personal data encryption in one of the 8 regional centers and 15 data centers worldwide. On top of the data privacy, the App Gallery also has a system to help protect younger users. The platform provides a hierarchical app management mechanism to ensure online safety for minors, a very important feature for younger smartphone and tablet users. Security and data privacy are key focus points for the App Gallery, though app availability is still very much at the core of Huawei's platform. As such, practically all of today's top apps are available on the App Gallery, all of which are easy and hassle-free to install. For starters, the most popular social media and messaging apps are available there, including Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and TikTok, among others. Entertainment apps can also be downloaded, such as YouTube and Netflix, along with the most popular shopping apps, Shopee and Lazada. And in case you're wondering, many popular e-wallets and banking apps are available on the App Gallery, such as GCash, Maya, BPI, Union Bank, and more. To complement these, transport apps Angkas, Grab, and Lalamove are all here, as well as government apps like eGovPH Super App, Pag-ibig Fund App, and SSS Mobile. There are also plenty of other apps available, ranging from productivity apps like WPS Office and Adobe Reader, along with many popular games like Mobile Legends and Free Fire. Plus, content creators will be happy to know that apps like CapCut are also there. Essentially, you should be able to download all the apps that you'll need on your daily driver via this platform. What's great is that downloading most of these apps is quite straightforward, as Huawei has continued to partner with app developers and publishers to bring their apps natively to the App Gallery, with even more apps promised to be released in the future. Simply go to the apps page on the App Gallery and press install. Easy peasy. Using GCash as an example, you just need to go to the GCash page by typing into the search bar. Then, when you click install, you'll have the app installed on your device, much like how it works on other app platforms. And with that, you should have all the apps that you'd need on your Huawei device. Plus, the App Gallery is continuously working to expand offerings. Of course, if you have any questions or if you want some extra help when downloading specific apps, you can easily reach out to Huawei customer service. To be exact, you can contact Huawei customer service in the Philippines by calling 0923-099-0468. You can also message the official Huawei Facebook Messenger at Huawei Mobile PH to get prompt responses to your queries. Again, given that practicality with all of today's popular apps being downloadable on the platform, coupled with its emphasis on security and data privacy, it's fair to say that it has never been easier to get all your favorite apps on the App Gallery, all while having peace of mind that your device and data are secure.